Hello, today we will discuss about factorial experiment. Okay, in CRD, RBD, or LSD, we were concerned with comparison and estimation of the effect of a single set of treatments like varieties of any crop, manure, or different method of cultivations, etc. Such experiment which deal with one factor only may be called simple experiment. Okay, such experiment which deals with one factor only is called simple experiment. And in factorial experiments, the effects of several factors of variations are studied and investigated simultaneously. The treatments being all the combinations of different factors under a study. Okay, the treatments being all the combinations of different factors under a study. In this experiment, an attempt is made to estimate the effect of each of the factors and also the interaction effects, that is the variation in the effect of one factors as a result to different levels of other factors. Thus, we may say when we deal with more than one factor, then the experiment is known as factorial experiment. Now, for example, we consider two fertilizers, say potash and nitrogen. We suppose that there are p different varieties of potash and q different varieties of nitrogen. Here p and q are known as the levels of the factors potash and nitrogen respectively. Now to find effectiveness of several treatments, that is different levels of potash or nitrogen, we may conduct two simple experiments, one for potash and other for the nitrogen respectively. Then a series of experiments in which only one factor is varied at a time would be lengthy and costly and might still be unsatisfactory. Okay, will be lengthy and costly and might still be unsatisfactory because of systematic changes in the general background conditions. And these simple experiments do not give us any information regarding the dependence or independence of one factor on the others. Okay, that means they do not tell us anything about the interaction effect, that is nk. Hence the only alternative is to try to investigate the varieties in several factors by conducting the above experiment as a p cross q factorial experiment, where p and q are the levels of various factors under considerations. These okay, in general, if the levels of various factors are equal, then s k power n factorial experiment means an experiment with n factor, okay, an experiment with n factors and each at s levels, where n is any positive integer greater than or equal to 2. For example, 2 to the power 3 experiments means an experiment with 3 factors and each factor at 2 levels. Similarly, 3 to the power 2 experiment means an experiment with 2 factors and each at 3 levels. Okay. Now we will discuss basic ideas and notations in 2 to the power n factorial experiment, and after that we will discuss 2 to the power 2 design. We consider 2 to the power n factorial experiment in which there are n factors and each at 2 levels, and levels may be 2 quantitative levels or concentrations of, say, a fertilizers, or it may mean 2 qualitative alternatives like 2 species of a plant, and so on. In some cases, one level is simply the control group, that means the absence of the factor, and other is its presence. Now we will discuss about 2 to the power 2 digit factorial design. This is for your course 2 to the power 2 design. Here we have two factors each at two levels, say 0 and 1, so that there are 2 cross 2, that is 4 treatment combinations in all. Following the notations, due to years B, we assume that the capital letters A and B indicate the names of the two functions, names of the two factors under a study, and small letters A and B denote one of the two levels of each of the corresponding factors, and this will be called the second level. Okay, the first level of A and B is generally expressed as by the absence of the corresponding letter in the treatment combinations. The four treatment combinations are as follows: A0, B0, it is written as 1. It means factors A and B both are at first level. A1 B0 and it is denoted, or it is denoted by A. It means factor A at second level and B at first level. A0 B1 it is denoted by B. It means factor A at first level and factor B at second level. Similarly, A1 B1 it is denoted by AB. It means factors A and B both are at second level. Okay. These four treatment combinations may be compared by laying out the experiment in RBD with R replicates and each replicate containing 4 units. Since you have 4 treatment combinations R 4 cross 4 LSD and ANOVA may be carried out. In the above cases, there are 3 degrees of freedom for the treatment effects. Okay. In factorial experiment, our main objective is to carry out separate tests for the main effects A and B and interaction effect AB, and splitting the treatment sum of squares with 3 degree of freedom into 3 orthogonal components, each with 1 degree of freedom and each associated with either the main effect A and B or the interaction effect A B. Okay. Now we will discuss main effect and interaction. How main effect will be expressed mathematically and interaction. Let the factorial experiment 2 power 2 is conducted in R blocks. R replicates. Let in capital letter 1 in capital bracket 1 in capital bracket A in capital bracket B and in capital bracket AB denote the total yields of R units, that is plots receiving the treatment 1 A, B and AB. 1 okay 1 and AB denote the plots receiving of R units plots receiving the treatment A1, A, B and AB respectively, and let the corresponding mean values obtained on dividing these totals by R be denoted by in small bracket 1 A, B and AB, all in put in small bracket respectively. The letters capital letters A, B and AB, capital letter AB represent the main effect due to the factor A and B and their interaction AB respectively. The effect of factor A may be represented by the differences between mean yields obtained at each level. Okay, the effect of factor A may be represented by the difference between mean yields obtained at each level. Thus, the effect of factor A at the first level B0 of B is equal to a1 b0 minus a0 b0. That means a is in small bracket a minus 1 small bracket, and let be equation number 1. And similarly the effect of factors a at the second level, b1 of b may be obtained as in small bracket a1 b1 minus small bracket a0 b1, and this is equal to is in small bracket ab minus small bracket b, and let it be equation number 2. These two effects 1 and 2 are known as the simple effect of the factor a. Okay, these two effects given in 1 and 2 are known as simple effect of the factor a. Now rest part of this topic we will discuss in coming lecture. So this is all about of today class. If you have any problem then consult me. Okay, thank you.